Now, okay, I will write it down. You have to understand. Okay, we will be fast on this. Sure. Répétez après moi. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Okay. Ah, tu es, tu es japonais.
Tu es japonais?
Répétez après moi. Tu
Chinois?
es, very good. Chinois. C'est très bien. Chinois. Claire? Non? Non? Ah,
Non,
ah, je suis.
je suis français.
France.
Exactement. Je suis français. Okay,
Français.
France.
Claire. Ah,
Mhm.
excusez-moi. Répétez après moi. Excusez-moi.
Excusez-moi.
Répétez après moi.
Excuse-moi.
Excusez-moi.
Excusez-moi.
Ok, excuse me. Ah, ce n'est pas grave. Non, hein, ce n'est pas
Ce n'est
grave.
pas
Répétez
grave.
après. Ce n'est pas grave.
Pas
Ce
grave.
n'est
N'est pas
pas
grave.
grave. It means it doesn't matter.
Mon prénom.
Exactement. C'est très bien, Manpreet. Mon prénom.
Mhm.
Nom est japonais.
Exactement. Mon prénom est japonais.
Japonais.
C'est clair? Mon prénom est japonais.
Japonais.
C'est clair. Mon prénom est japonais. Clair? So over here we have a prénom. Prénom est. Prénom. Mon
First
prénom
name.
est japonais. Clair? OK?
Yeah.
Ah, ma mère est française.
Ma
Répétez
mère
après
est,
moi. Répétez après moi. Ma
ma
mère
mère
est
est
française,
japonaise.
ma mère est japonaise. C'est clair. Ma mère
Et japonaise.
est japonaise. Now, Manpreet, you know the concept of japonais and japonaise because for
Yes, sir.
feminine we have to insert
Yeah.
e. C'est clair, Summer?
E.
Ma
Yes.
Yes.
mère. C'est clair. Ah, is it clear to you? Ah, tu es française et toi, tu es française. Répète après moi. Et toi,
Et
et
toi? Tu es
toi,
français.
tu es française. Tu es française. Tu es française. Either if I'm talking to a boy, I can say tu es français. Tu es français. C'est clair. Tell me yes and no.
Yes, sir.
Claire. Now, we have done habite verb. Habite is a verb to live. Claire, have you done with this habite verb? Claire.
Yes.
Now, if I will say, I live in Brasilia. J'habite, I live in. J'habite, I live. Claire? J'habite a. A, we have preposition which is in, at, and to. A, I live in. A, we have preposition in, at, and to. J'habite a Brasilia. Say Claire. Tell me yes or no.
Brazilian.
Répétez
Brazilian.
après moi. I live in Brasilia. Et toi? And you. So these are the small theaters one play which you can play. Et toi? J'habite à Brasilia. Et toi? Tu habites à Tokyo. Tu habites, c'est clair. Tu habites à Tokyo. C'est clair. Tu habites à Tokyo ou ou à Paris. You live in Tokyo or in Paris. So, et toi, tu habites à preposition to à Tokyo ou or à Paris preposition. So, répétez après moi. Ah, non, j'habite à Brasilia. Ah, d'accord. Et toi, tu habites à Tokyo ou à Paris? Répétez après moi, s'il vous plaît. Repeat it like.
Jovita, Brasil.
Mhm.
Brasilia.
Brasilia. Mhm. Et toi,
Tu, et
toi,
toi?
tu habites à Tokyo ou à
Tu
Paris?
habites, tu habites à Tokyo
Ou
ou
à
à
Paris?
Paris?
Ou à Paris?
Paris.
Paris. Ah, à Paris. At Paris. À Paris. Tu es étudiante. If I'm asking for a Manpreet. Manpreet, you are a girl. I'm saying
Yeah.
tu es
Mhm.
étudiante.
Étudier.
Étudiante. Claire. Tu es étudiante. Summer, I will say tu es
Yeah.
étudiant. Say Claire because for a feminine we have to insert e. Say
E.
Claire.
Yeah.
Over here we have a AQ. So tu es étudiante, tu es étudiant. You will say why? 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 What you will say, Manpreet? I'm a student. What do you say? Why? Je suis
Oui, je suis
étudiant et
étudiant.
je suis étudiant. C'est clair.
Étudiant.
D'accord? Why? Now let's play a game. I will give you one sentence. You have to understand what we can do in this. If I will say je, I will put sui. I will make a. I will make est, and I can make français.
Just we say France.
Je suis français.
Exactement. Je suis français. Claire? Now make a thing like this. Tu suis dash a
Oui.
dash est. Then we have Brazilian.
Brazil.
Brazilian. Claire?
Oui.
What you will do? Tell me. Tu,
Tu,
tu a.
tu,
Say Claire. D'accord. Why? Is it
Yeah.
clear to you? One phrase?
Yes, sir.
Summer? Now,
Yes.
we have again, we'll move to the verb pattern. Thoda ha verb pattern, very simple pattern. Ekute. Ekute is to listen, very important. Manpreet, can you conjugate ekute conjugation, ironic verb? So, because we have e, je, ekut.
Yeah.
But
Je.
over here, we have what? We have to eliminate this, Claire, and this should be a
Yeah.
post of a. So, this can be a j'écoute. Say Claire, tell me yes and no.
J'écoute.
J'écoute, tu écoutes, il elle écoute, nous écoutons, vous écoutez,
Vous
ils
vous
elles
écoutez.
écoutent. Say Claire,
Tout.
tell me yes
Yeah.
and no.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Why? Okay. Now, let's repeat this. Repeat after me. Okay, let's go for a
Mm.
fourth Alexa pattern because we have done verb so that you will not get bored with the verbs and the conversation. Let's repeat after me. Repeat after moi.
Un,
The,
deux, deux,
trois. Repeat after
trois,
moi. Quatre.
quatre,
Repeat after moi. Quatre.
cinq,
Cinq. Very good. You know counting? Cinq.
six,
Yes.
Six. Claire.
sept,
Sept.
huit,
Wait. C'est très bien.
neuf,
Neuf.
10.
This. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Now repeat
Yes, sir.
after moi. Okay. If I asked you, complete the term. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. If I asked you, 1 plus 1, what do you say?
Plus
1 plus 1 égal,
plus
equal, égal, 2.
égal,
Say Claire.
plus
Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes.
Is it clear to
plus,
you?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you?
yes,
Tell me
sir.
again now. Say Claire. Is it clear to you? Tell me yes
Yes,
and
sir.
no, s'il vous plaît. Okay.
Yes.
So what we say to equal to, it's equal,
Égal. Equal.
equal. Okay.
Okay. That is égal. Is it clear to you? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, for example, we will say 5 minus 2. So we'll say 5. Pen down please. 5 moins. Moins we have
Cinq
minus. Okay, let me record the
Okay.
previous. Let me save the previous recording. 1 second. I'm just going to save the previous one. 1 second. Moins we have minus. Okay, let me record this. 1 second. Let me save my previous one. 1 second. Save copy over here and we can paste it. Okay, so try here. Now, if I will say 5 minus 2, so what you will say?
cinq
5
minus
moins. Répétez après moi. Moins. Moins. M-O-I-N-S. So what you say? 5. लिख लोगे 5 अपने आप. Moins. Minus. So 5 moins 2 égale 3. C'est clair. C'est clair.
5 moins 2 égale 3.
Is
Yes.
it clear to you? Claire?
Yes, sir.
Now, for example, we have 6 plus 2 is equal to 8. What you will say? 6 plus 2. 6
6 plus
plus the
plus
egal with. Is it clear to you? Why?
yes, sir.
So, plus, we have plus, Moi,
Plus.
we have minus, and égal, we have equal. Is it clear to you?
Equal to. Yes.
Is it clear to you? D'accord? Now, écoutez-moi. Écoutez-moi. If I will say, écoutez-moi. 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 What is this? Écoutez-moi. Listen to me very carefully. Écoutez-moi. Écoutez-moi. Listen to me. Écoutez is not verb to listen. Moi is
Yeah.
me.
Me.
Écoutez-moi. Listen to me. Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? Clear?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So now what I want is, I'm going to share all these 3 recordings and you have to brush up all these 3 recordings. Because
Okay.
session should not get heavy. I believe we have a lot of serve verbs. We have a lot of, the conversation, a bit conversation we have done, right? Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes.
we'll do a small theater one more time. Répétez après moi.
Okay.
Excusez-moi. Répétez après moi.
Excusez-moi.
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 Répétez après moi. Excusez-moi. Bolo. Je suis désolé. Je suis désolé.
I'm sorry.
Yes. Je suis désolé. Because we are just
Désolé.
going for
Désolé.
a beginner terms, Abhi. So je suis désolé. C'est clair. Is it clear to you? Why?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. Now, c'est très bien. We have done today the verbs. Okay. Now, répétez après moi. Repeat it like this. Bonjour.
Bonjour.
Bonjour. Bienvenue. Répétez après moi.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue.
Welcome.
Yes. Bonjour. Bienvenue. Is it clear to you? Bienvenue.
Yes, sir.
Is it clear to you? If I will say,
Yeah.
okay, I present you. Now in Hindi, because we have a Hindi format over here. Now, for example, I will say, I present you. I present you as an Ankit or as a anything, blah, blah, blah. So have you done presente verb? Yesterday, have you done
Yes, sir.
presente verb? That if we have a ague, presente, if we have ague, presente.
Thank you.
So in Hindi, we have
Present.
I present you. No. Whenever, see, I, one subject, you, one subject. Whenever we have 2 subjects in one line, that should be all together in French, like in Hindi. मैं तुझे present करता हूँ. Claire?
Okay.
मैं तुझे.
Yes.
In Hindi, we have मैं तुझे. It means my subject would be together. Say Claire. Then we have verb present करता हूँ. Say Claire. Say
Yes,
Claire.
sir.
तो je,
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
vous présente. C'est clair. D'accord.
Je vous prie.
C'est clair.
Yes, sir.
मैं अच्छा I give you simple. I give it नहीं कर रहा हूँ. Simple बोलो. I give you. I give you. Have you done donner verb? Donner is a verb to give.
Donner.
Have you done yesterday donner verb?
Yes,
Claire?
sir.
So je vous donne.
Donner.
We have
Donner. Okay.
because we cannot say donner. Because over here we have the conjugation with je. मैं दे रहा हूँ. So the conjugation with my je only. Don't do with vous. That cannot apply vous conjugation. Because vous is my different. See, I am giving to you. मैं दे रहा हूँ. So that is je vous donne. C'est clair.
Okay. Yes.
Is it clear to you? Now vous is my.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can say je te donne. Informal. Je te donne. C'est clair. I speak to you. Je te parle. C'est clair.
Je te parle.
Je vous parle. C'est clair. D'accord? Is it clear to you? Tell me.
Yes, sir.
Claire?
Yes.
Okay. So you want me to stretch the batch or you want to finish it right now? अगर heavy हो रहा है तो I will explain to you more. It should not get heavy. Tell me. Can we go ahead? Or you can do it by tomorrow?
We'll do tomorrow.
Heavy तो नहीं हो रहा? Heavy हो रहा है थोड़ा सा? Okay, paragraph. I'm saying paragraph. Doesn't matter. Don't worry. Paragraph. Okay, we will do it.
Okay.
We can go for it tomorrow, and tomorrow we will enter in a speaking module now. Is it clear to you? Like if I'll say,
Yeah, sir.
Yes.
what is your name, or what is your age? Okay, what is your nationality? Where you live? So these are question making we'll do tomorrow. Say class, d'accord? Okay.
Oui.
तो tomorrow हम क्या करने वाले हैं आपको मैं explain करता हूँ. Tomorrow we'll do entire counting, time check, how to check the timetables. Claire,
Oui.
d'accord? Why?
Oui.
Have you
Yes.
done timetable check? Have you done time check?
No, sir.
No, अभी नहीं ना. So tomorrow we'll do question making, time check, and counting. Is it clear to you?
Okay.
Yes.
Claire, d'accord? Okay, and we'll pick
Yeah.
one combination passage, a छोटा सा combination passage, and just try to read those passages. We'll do it tomorrow. Say Claire,
Okay.
d'accord? Why?
Oui.
Yes.
Why? Okay. So I hope you understood the session. आपको समझ आया सारा session?
Yes, sir.
Okay, चलो. So Omasar encontre damo a memo. Claire, d'accord? Why? So you want
Mm.
entire recording of the session, the 3 recordings? You want this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, I will share with you. Yeah. All right.